A pot of Siberian Bugloss I got from the nursery, and you can see it's Jack Frost. You can tell by the white frosting on the leaves. So I'm just digging a hole here for that pot, and it does best in like moist, well-drained, rich soil with lots of organic material. And make the hole about the right size for the depth, so it's growing at the same depth that it was in the pot. And just gently squeeze the sides of the pot to get it to fall out, and set it in there, and then just push the dirt in around it to fill in all the air spaces. This is hardy in zones 3 to 8, and it'll grow 1 to 1.5 feet tall, and it's makes nice little clumps. You can see like the little small blue flowers that rise above the plant. This plant is native to Turkey, and it likes well-drained, rich soil in the shade with a lot of organic material. Brunnera macrophylla, Jack Frost or Siberian Bugloss, is native to Turkey, and this herbaceous perennial is hardy in zones 3 to 8, and it blooms in April to May. It can grow 1 to 1.5 feet tall, and is marked by like a white frosting on the leaves between the veins. It does well in shady, well-drained, rich soil with lots of organic material. And each plant grows from a rhizome, and in good conditions it will spread into clumps, making a nice ground cover. In the early spring, small blue flowers rise above the plant,